Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit Wix website after publishing. This is so easy. Okay, let's go to the video. Here I have already logged into my Wix account. Then you can see my website here. Put the cursor on the website and click on Select and Edit Site. Now you are directed to website dashboard. Then here you can see Edit Site. Click on it. Now you will be directed to Wix website editor. Here it is. Now you can edit your website. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, comment below and hit the subscribe button.